Oh no. Why is the door locked? Oh no, I don't have my keys. Oh jeez, I'm so cold. Please answer the door. I am so cold. It is freezing out here. I hope someone answers the door quickly before I die. Is someone at the door? That's probably no one. UPS guy, maybe. Not my son. Let me play my game. Actually, let me call someone. Hey, Debbie. Did you see the UNC game? Yeah, they really suck this year. Yeah, they suck every year. Oh well, bye. I'm so cold. I'm gonna die. I know I'm gonna die. Do. Man, I love solitaire. Oh well. Da. Oh, come on. Why I gotta answer the door all the time? Well, let's go. Oh, now I have to walk. Oh, man. Oh man, biggest stare in the world. As I'm here freezing to death, I have an idea. If there were a keypad, I could then just enter the numbers onto a keypad and it would unlock the door. Ben is brilliant. Do 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 dee 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 da 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 do 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 do.
Beep boop boop dee doo dee dee da doo dee doo doo dee dee dee.
Code accepted. Welcome home, Mr. Gallahan. Hey Mom, you know what? That keypad is great. I love it. It is the best idea I ever had. And it makes life so much easier. Hey Ben. Oh man, am I glad we got that keypad. What a great idea it was. It's such a convenience. I don't have to get off my ass and answer the door anymore. You are the man. Did I tell you? You're my favorite kid. Only every day. Thanks, Mom.
Hisamitu.